Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will explore together an exciting journey into the world of a familiar but surprising fruit. Blueberries. Have you ever wondered how blueberries are grown and harvested? Come join us on this adventure. The two most common types of blueberries are low bush blueberries and high bush blueberries. And did you know the blueberries we often see in the supermarket or on the dining table are high bush blueberries? Today, I will take you to a high bush blueberry farm and see what they do to get such delicious blueberries. Every journey starts with preparation, right? The same goes for growing blueberries. To have a good harvest, soil preparation is extremely important. Blueberries love acidic soil, with a pH between 4.5 and 5.5. The best time to plant blueberries is in early spring or late fall. Creating beds and fertilizing before planting is very important to help seedlings grow quickly and healthily. Young blueberry plants are often planted and carefully cared for in nurseries before they are transferred to the field for official planting. During this stage, the seedlings are grown in a controlled environment where they receive the light, water, and nutrients they need to grow strongly. This careful care helps ensure that baby blueberry plants will have a healthy and well-adapted root system when transferred to the field, where they will continue to grow and produce fruit. After planting, don't forget to give the tree enough water to help it take root and flourish. Water is vital, especially in the initial year. But growing blueberries is not simply a matter of watering and waiting. Hidden enemies like pests and insects are always lurking. That's why farmers must always be vigilant and ready to spray pesticides when necessary. To keep blueberry plants healthy and ready for fruit season, pruning is important. In late winter or early spring, remove dead, diseased branches and prune so that light and air can reach the center of the tree. From planting to flowering, blueberries take 2 to 3 years. Workers have to spend a lot of effort and dedication to take care of the trees. Watering, fertilizing, and pest control must be done regularly and accurately. Blueberry plants are capable of self-pollination, but to achieve high yields and best fruit quality, cross-pollination between different blueberry varieties is necessary. To ensure this process is efficient, millions of bees are introduced to blueberry gardens. The presence of bees in blueberry gardens is not only an important part of sustainable agriculture, but also a key factor in helping gardeners achieve a bumper crop of delicious, plump blueberries. And after several years of careful care, the blueberries are finally ready to harvest. The blueberry harvest season usually takes place from May to August. Every year, thousands of workers flock to blueberry farms to harvest. With their hard work, these workers can earn from $300 to $500 per day. In 2022, the United States, with its sustainability, still maintains its position as one of the world's largest blueberry producers. With an incredible output of 300,000 tons, it is not only enough to meet domestic demand, but also export to many other countries. Harvesting by hand is the best way to ensure you pick only the sweetest, ripe berries. Just gently roll the fruit between your thumb and index finger, and let the ripe blueberries fall into your hand. Look at these delicious fresh blueberries. Would you like to come to enjoy them directly on the tree? In addition to harvesting by hand, using machinery to harvest blueberries offers many benefits, especially on large farms. Machinery significantly increases productivity, allowing large volumes of blueberries to be harvested in less time than harvesting by hand. This not only meets market demand effectively, but also helps reduce labor costs, an important factor in a context where labor is increasingly expensive and difficult to find. In addition, the machines operate continuously and stably, not affected by fatigue or human errors, ensuring the harvesting process goes smoothly. Although the initial investment cost for machinery is quite high, in the long term, it brings great economic benefits thanks to cost savings and increased production efficiency. With the advancement of technology, modern machines today are also designed to minimize damage to plants and fruits, improving the quality of output products. Have you ever wondered how blueberries are handled after picking to maintain their freshness? That is, after harvesting, blueberries are transported to the factory and cooled immediately to maintain the freshest quality and avoid any possible damage. Next, they are washed and carefully sorted, removing unripe or damaged fruits. All are checked by an advanced AI system, analyzing each fruit one by one, ensuring only qualified blueberries reach you. And finally, blueberries are carefully packaged before making their way to consumers. You can see that with the participation of AI systems, the testing and selection process can be automated, helping to save time and labor costs, while ensuring consistency and accuracy in the process classification of blueberries. Does it make you admire the perfection in every smallest detail? It's hard not to be amazed by the power of modern technology. So we've gone through the entire process together, from planting to harvesting blueberries. Truly a feat, isn't it? Each blueberry is the result of the efforts and dedication of many people. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next exciting journeys. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.